drowning in endless meeting admin and feeling like your virtual collaboration is more chaotic than connected? Well, get ready to transform your workflow because in the next 90 seconds, we're unlocking the power of Zoom and Zapier to automate your meetings from start to finish. First, make sure you have both a Zoom and Zapier account. Now let's start by connecting Zoom to Zapier. Inside Zapier, navigate to the Connected Accounts section, search for Zoom, and click to connect. You will be prompted to log into your Zoom account and authorize Zapier to access your Zoom data. This is a crucial step, so follow the prompts carefully to grant the necessary permissions. Now, let's create our first Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow. Start by choosing Zoom as your trigger app. A trigger is what starts the automation. In this case, we'll select New Meeting as the trigger event. This means every time a new meeting is scheduled in Zoom, it will kick off our Zap. Next, we'll define the action that happens after the Zoom meeting is scheduled. Let's say you want to automatically add the meeting to your Google Calendar. Select Google Calendar as the action app and create detailed event as the action event. Zapier will then ask you to map the data from Zoom to Google Calendar fields like meeting title, start time, and description. But we can take this even further. Add another action step. This time, choose Slack and select Send Channel Message. Now, every time a new Zoom meeting is scheduled, Zapier will automatically post a message in your designated Slack channel with all the meeting details, reminding everyone to join. Before you activate your Zap, always test it. This ensures that the connection between Zoom, Google Calendar, and Slack is working correctly and that the data is being transferred as expected. If the test is successful, congratulations. Simply toggle the switch to on and your Zap has now lived. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You can create Zaps to manage meeting recordings, send follow-up emails, update your CRM, and much more. Experiment with different combinations to create a workflow that streamlines your specific needs. Start automating today.